From the men's division, we have Pocket de los Santos. We have John Riubas. From the women's division, we have Aliana Nicolas over here. We have Amy Christensen, Gio Kawachi, and Jensa Marie Libres. Alright. So the way we'll do this is before you ask your questions, I know you're very excited. Let's do this one at a time. Please introduce yourself and the outfit that you represent before asking your question. So the press conference officially begins now. We will now be taking questions. Oh, sorry. Medjan has joined us. Perfect. We need one more seat. Medjan Sumbongan has joined us. Okay, let's begin. Floor is now open for questions. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Good evening and congratulations to all of us, to everyone. Even Mayato from Sports Radio 918. A question to Pocket and Liana, congratulations for a job well done earlier this afternoon. Just quick thoughts on performing in front of the whole crowd and for you guys personally, did you achieve what needed to your objective for this competition? Thank you.
Pwede po.
Yung na-achieve nyo ba yung parang objective nyo for this competition and of course playing in front of our kababayans? Thank you.
Thank you po. Honestly po, hindi po ako excited masyado sa competition na to kasi parang mas na-excite akong manood at makita yung mga big names po pole vaulting and hindi ko po inaasahan na maglalaro pala ako sa international. So sinabihan ako ni Coach, serve mo yung energy mo for tomorrow. Kaya ayun po, one try lang po ako sa 520. Then, thank you.
Hello. It's such an honor to compete in front of the home crowd. My goal was the bar I was trying at, and I had a really good attempt at the second attempt, but I fell short. But otherwise, I'm pretty proud of how I showed up and performed today.
Thank you. Leanne, yes?
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, how can you describe the venue that's set up here? Like, what do you think of this venue? Now, for the first time na nagagaling so maybe you can answer. Said, dito ka based and then maybe some of those who are based abroad also.
Yeah, so it's such a milestone, actually, this event for Philippine Pole Vault. I've been jumping for almost a decade now, and this is the first time something like this happened. That's why we're very thankful to everyone who made this happen. For EJ, inspiring us all, Ayala also for setting this up, and also to everyone who showed up and supported us. It really means a lot to us. And it was so heartwarming to see everyone cheering for us, clapping for us. The energy was so high, and we just hope that everyone enjoyed as much as we did. And we hope to also inspire more people to learn more about pole vault, try pole vault even, and spread word about this wonderful sport that we're in.
Yeah, if there are some thoughts, please feel free to share.
Hello. I think it's a great opportunity to showcase pole vaulting here in the Philippines, and I think we show what we're capable of in terms of university. We can try more like this in the future. I'd just like to say big congratulations to EJ for putting this together. I know way back in 2019 this has been like a really big goal for him, and when I started, this is kind of like what we wanted to give back to the community. So it's just great to see like how organized it was, and the crowd, like I said, was just amazing, and the runway is top notch, like world class. So congrats, EJ.
Yeah, I think this was the coolest meet I've ever been to. I've never seen a street pole vault, so to be able to experience it here in the Philippines, that's just really amazing.
I think Medjan wants to say something.
Medjan.
Etienne, anong masasabi mo na ang daming nag-cheer sa'yo? Lalo na nung iba na natalo na yung isang job. Anong feeling nun?
Nandiyan po, nakakahiya kasi.
Kaya mo yan.
Dapat proud ka, ang galing mo eh.
For me po, I'm very happy po. Kasi di lang po kasi, hindi ko lang na jump yun at mag-PB din ako. Kasi yung current PB ko po is 4:35. Na-jump ko yung 4:45. Kaya, I'm so happy po.
Alright, next question, please.
Next question na.
Over there.
Next question.
Good evening po, Bernadette po from ATV Sports. Happy for Hackett. Congratulations. Paano mo na lang siguro pag-ahandaan yung event mo to form against World Cup? And also, ano pa yung paaabangan sa inyo ng mga fans mo after this?
Ano ba? So, after this press con po siguro, magpa-MFR, massage para maka-recover more para sa event po bukas. My goal po is to jump higher than my PB. And I think kaya naman po, nag-prepare naman po kami ng maayos para sa competition na to. So,
Dun sa walong international pole vaulters, sino dun yung nilook forward?
look forward as well. Lahat naman po sila kasi nakikita ko lang po sila sa mga television po. Then, ayun nga po, gaya po nagsabi ko kanina na we are really excited po and grateful kasi nagkaroon po kami na ma-meet po namin mga big names na pole vaulting po. And ayun po.
Last question na lang from me, how does it feel to be coached by Coach Emers Vienna, knowing na, syempre, ano po siya, ay, tatay siya ni EJ. Thank you.
I'm really grateful po to be coached by EJ's father po. Hinuhubog po niya ako both in sports and outside sports po. And siguro I'm really inspired kasi like they believe po that whole sports can be also a path of a better life, and that's why they regularly organize a pole vaulting clinic because sa paraan po na yun, alam po nila na nagbibigay po sila ng oportunidad sa mga batang kailangan ng facilities or equipment po kasi sorry na po.
Well said, okay. We're also organizers, are also believers in sports, so thank you. Next question, please. Sorry, the lady for that first.
Good evening po. I'm Ina from One Sports. For topic po, ano na lang yung best advice na binigay sa iyo or narinig mo from Coach Emerson and kay sa mentor mo na si EJ?
Best advice. Siguro po, everything you do, you have to believe in yourself. Kasi naniniwala po ako na, and lagi kong kasama sila Kuya EJ and yung parents niya po, na what you put in the inside you will experience on the outside po. So, yun po.
It's actually a very nice question. Can we extend it to some of the other people? Siguro, John Lee, yung sagot mo dun sa tanong na yun. Best advice that you've been given?
Siguro sa akin yung sa coach ko po dati si Coach Dario, in-advise namin sa akin na sabi ni Harry, just believe yourself lang kasi ikaw lang din ang makakatulong sa sarili mo kasi ikaw yung gagawa.
From the ladies, anybody can take the same question. Whoever wants to go first. Best advice?
I guess today AJ's only advice was to just go for every bar and don't back off and be brave. So I'm thankful he said that. Yeah.
Thank you. I think there was a question from GMA. Yes.
Sir, may medals na po kayo sa iba't ibang aspects ng athletics. Pero ano na po masasabi niyo na parang may growth ng athletics since meron na rin events tulad dito para sa pole vault?
Siguro sa lahat ng medal ko, ito yung pinakamasaya sa akin na natanggap ko ng medal, silver medal dito sa Pilipinas pa. Kasi nga po, first time ko magkaroon ng pole vault so sobrang happy ako. Ramdam ko po yung mga tao na nag-enjoy kanina. So yun po, doon ko naramdaman na ganito pala yung feeling pag maka-experience ka ng home crowd. Na yun, hindi ko makatanggap talaga ng medal. First time nangyari na magkaroon ng pole vault event. Sobrang thankful kami mga player, especially kay AJ. Sa yung punot-dulo sa event na to. At saka yun, siguro marami pa ma-inspire na mga young kids na magkaroon ng pole vault na susunod kay AJ balang araw. Yun.
Good evening, Ruben Durado Castillo. My question for Packet or to anyone. Could you share with us how different is yung ganitong format na street voting from the traditional pole vault? Obviously, mas malapit yung crowd, but kayo personally yung difference? Mas pressure ba dahil may tao, mas malapit?
So anybody can take this question. What is the main difference between stadium vaulting and street vaulting? How did you feel about it?
I guess the whole energy is just different. It's more exciting, exhilarating. And the stadium, kasi you're so far away from everyone, you're usually isolated. But in here, you really feel the love and support from everyone. And it's just a fun experience, something, a change of scenery once in a while, which is, I think, really nice and healthy for us athletes.
What about Jessa or Medjen? Ano naman tingin sa inyo ng first street pole vault?
Sobrang ano po ng feeling like, kasi po usually sa mga ibang games, last po kami natatapos, so parang usually wala na po nanonood sa amin, gano'n. Tapos hindi na po kami naka-cover ng mga picture. So parang ngayon, parang na-feel namin na kami yung main event na, kami yung mismong inaantay ng mga tao na nag-cheer, kaya parang mas na-feel namin na parang mas okay din yung mga ganong event in the future.
Para sa akin po, nakakapagba po siya na nakakatuwa kasi first time ko din maglaro ng street vaulting kasi palagi kami maglaro kami, nasa oval. Tapos kami yung huling na tatapos sa sa event, kaya wala na talagang nanonood. Kaya I'm really happy na napipil namin yung support ng mga crowd.
Okay, go ahead.
bakit nung in-announce na sasali ka bukas, parang speechless ka eh. Mukhang tumatok pa sa isip mo nun. Mukhang sinira nila yung plano mo na manood lang eh. Hindi ka ang pinasali. Paano lang tumatok pa sa isip mo nung in-announce yun? Sasali ka bukas.
Ayun po, nakakatawa na may kasamang kaba. Kasi parang 5-meter plus jumper lang at 5'15", 5'20", then lalaro ako sa mga tackle close to 6 meters. Then sabi ko, ano mangyayari sa akin bukas dito? Pero masaya po na kasama po ako sa event bukas. Then, ayun nga po, para rin makapag-attend ng maganda-gandang hike po. Kasi kanina pinahingo na ako ni Coach.
Pero naabot ko na yun. Nalagpas na yung 5.20 na tayong natin mo nila. Naabot mo naman yung sa ensayo na.
Sa ensayo po, yes po. Pero ang PR2 po, 5.15. Yes po. Kaya nag-try lang po kami kanina sa 5.20.
Don't worry about it. I'm sure lahat ng tao dito pati sa labas will all be cheering for you tomorrow. So we're with you.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions? Last call. Okay. If no other questions, I think that brings this press conference to an end. Thank you so much to the winners from the male and female division. Another round of applause for them. I think they did a really great job today. I think we'll just take a picture. Group photo, please.
You can stand.
You can stand, it's okay.
You can stand.